What's going on YouTube? This is Britton, Life of Calhoun. I also want to let you know we're gonna kill it today. We're gonna do some chest workouts, and I think we're doing triceps, but I'm waiting on my crew to get here. So this channel's gonna come with a lot of lifts, a lot of how to do stuff, a lot of know what to do when you go to the gym. So I'm gonna get some stretching, wait on my crew to come in, but that just gives a little things that is going to be on this channel. It's going to be a lot of fun, a lot of things going on, and a lot of techniques to show you how to go in the gym and get big gains, big lifts, and know what you're doing the right way. I know a lot of you out there, a lot of times you go to the gym, you have no idea what to do. Watch this channel. I'm telling you, you're going to be very high scale on what to do every day. So wait on them and we'll get back to it, but that's a little run around to do it. So follow my lead. I'm gonna teach you a lot of things. Always call me, ask questions. I will always read them and answer the best I can to help you out. So wait on my people and we're gonna get to it. Let's do it. Dumbbell bench, here we go. Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Killing it. That's how we do it. I just set me a camera. I don't hire me a cameraman to like follow me around doing stuff. I don't know who I'm gonna hire, but I'm gonna hire somebody. Like, just follow me around the gym, just follow me doing camera, so just hold it. I might get cards or somebody. You want me to hold it, sir? Yeah, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna edit and set it down and just do the sets right there. So, dumbbell press right here, we're gonna do, we'll do 8, 4 sets of 8. I think we're doing 4 sets of 8. Yeah, we're doing 8. I'm gonna show one of my other partner, BJ, doing that.
Yeah, my shoulders a little sore.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, he's on Jeremy. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. Push that shit. Push it. There you go. First set, we'll do 8. Come back. Go to the chest. I'm gonna push up. Don't touch the dumbbells. Down. Up. 8 times. Down to chest. Don't go no further down the chest. Come up. Never touch them. It's all about posing, stretching. No, we're not using it. You can have it. I'll move my water bottle over here. But it's all good. Kind of vlogging. Got my boys behind me, different lifting group. But right here, we're doing a lot of stretching. This right here stretches your muscles. I pulled my pec and I hurt my elbow, but I still, you know, push out lifting this. I will go heavier, but I've been hurt for like a week. I pulled this muscle Saturday, so I'm not going as much today, but this is pretty much the technique. So if you watch these lifts as my 2 partners lift, then you can get the concept of how to do it and what to do it. And I'll show me one time do it and show them doing it. So y'all understand the method, time to kill it. Look, cable, kill it. Push, there you go, baby. Push, there we go. Getting it. It's all about the pose. There we go. Hold the thing down so you can see it. Oh, man. We're good, good. Come down, come out as an eagle, float in. Come out, come down,
Kind of fun.
float in. 8, forward, baby. 5, 6, 7. See how it comes as a pose? Come right there, pose. Come down, freeze for a second. Pose. Come out. Traction of the muscles. We got it back. Appreciate it. Kill it. That's how we do it. It's BJ. Yep. Keep killing it. Keep killing it. 8, man. Push out. Push out. There we go. Keep killing it. Keep killing it. Man. Right here is the best workout I like for your shoulders. Something different you probably ain't seen is killer. So set the camera down. I'm gonna get a tripod so you can see better of my lifts and me, you know, switching different parts, setting down. So it's gonna get better. I just gotta, you know, get the equipment to do it. So we're gonna jump in and do this. I'm gonna turn the camera around, set it down. So later I will have a tripod. So eventually, hopefully next video, I'm gonna set the camera down where y'all can see what we do out through the gym. And this is getting an example of the, you know, beginning of the video. Y'all get this example and it'll get better and better. So we're gonna get right to it. Like that, I feel pressure, my fingers start to tingle. Come up to your chest, come down. Come up, come down. Good pump, baby. Get it up, baby. Good pump. That's 3. Oh, good. All about the technique, ain't about the weight. Worry about the weight, you'll never grow. Promise you that. Never grow. The weight will always come with it. Right here, man. It's all good. Woo! And that's the way we do it. All right, we're gonna do triceps push downs. What I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna do 12 because, like I said, my elbow hurts. It's been hurt for a month. I don't know, they're laughing. But seriously, I would do, like I said, I would do heavy. I ain't gonna lie to you. I can max this machine out and do it 8 times, but I'm not. My elbow's hurting, so I'm taking it loose. So it's tight, and so I'm gonna do 8 reps of tricep pull downs, and we'll get right into it, show you how to do it. So I'm gonna do 12 times. They're gonna do 8 at heavyweight. I'm gonna do it 12 times just because my elbow. So we're gonna go slowly down, come up. It's like a pose. Go pose down. You'll see me pose for a second. Go down, pose, come up for a second. Come down, because it's really about to stretch when you're lifting weights. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. I'm gonna do 12 reps, and that's what we're gonna do. So let's get into it. All right, let's go. I'm gonna get a little bend down. Like I said, I'll do 12.
Lamborghini.
Come down. Pose for a second. Come up. Pose for a second. Like that. That's all you gotta do. It's all about the technique. A lot of people gonna do this fast, but it's not about that. It's about the technique of posing. Go down, second pose. You see my tricep? You see my tricep flex when I go down. Just forward. So we'll continue to 8. 5. We're gonna do 12. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. On my 12, I get a little good squeeze. Good squeeze. Come up slowly. That's what we do, man. You gotta get it, kill it. Get up. Yep. Like I said, get up, dress up, hustle. That's my motto every day. We're gonna get up, dress up, hustle. I'm gonna show you on him what he does. Like I said, that's my cousin Cam, and that's my other cousin BJ. So we're gonna do on tricep pull downs on someone else doing it. See that? Kill it. I wanna see that tricep, look at that. See that muscle? That's why you pull down. A lot of people do this real fast and just crappy technique. I'm gonna be real on this channel. We're gonna keep it real. We're gonna keep it raw. This is how we do it. So letting you know, I'll call anybody. This is how we do it. That's the only way you're gonna get big is do big weight. Waiting his turn, then he's gonna get there and do his. That's just how we do it. All day, every day. I'm gonna keep it up. All right, man, pull it up. There we got it. Look at that. Yes. It's gonna be up too. That's gonna. You see that tricep? It's all about that. Look at that. See that? Little pose. A lot of people do this way too fast. It's crazy. It's just, they getting hurt and all that. That is what it is, man. That's how you do it. Look at that. I know y'all see that. There you go. There we go. That's how we do it, man. We don't play around. We just get up, dress up, hustle. I'm gonna get my sets in, get my reps in, and we're gonna get to it. Let's go. All right, we're gonna do triceps. This is the last station I'm gonna show y'all until I get me, of course, a tripod, like I said earlier, so I can set it up. Y'all can see variety what we're doing, so I ain't gotta, keep moving down for it. Trying to give y'all the best video, best content there is, because a lot of people be lifting weights, and I just don't know. This is different, but this is gonna show beginners on how to lift and how to get big. And how to grow, actually grow. So we're gonna do 8 reps and we're gonna get into it. I'm gonna show you how to do it. The last station, I'm gonna show y'all. Let's get it. Let's get it, baby. Back. Gotcha. Go down, come up. Go down, come up. Got it, man. That's good right there. Go down, come up. Come down.
Oh dang, you did. See, I gotta keep my clip, even though sometimes mine be long, but I'm just driving forklift. Sometimes I'll tear one.
Yep. You're having stupid. Like I said, we'll keep it raw. I ain't gonna edit none of this out. You think I'm gonna edit? I ain't none of that. That's just how we do it. Videos will get better. I'm saying, videos will get better. You know what motivates us? Your mom. Like I said, we can get up, dress up, puzzle. All that's gonna be in the video. I'm just saying, man, it's gonna be wild. I don't know what you're gonna hear, but you're gonna get big, cut. We're gonna tell you how to do it right. That's how we do it. I'm the pepper. Got it? Yep. Kill it. See how he does it, man. Like I said, man, it's like all it takes is you in there, just do it. Oh yeah. Kill it. And we're out. We're gonna get some protein in us. Wrapping up.
I don't drink protein.
He don't drink protein. That's crazy. I don't know how. I don't know, but it's working. You need to start. You know, I'm already up there. I gotta warm him up something. I gotta warm up something somewhere. But no, he's real stronger than me. But hey, he pushes me every day. That's what we call him, Cam Fit. You know what I'm saying? I won't be where I'm at in strength without him. Just letting y'all know. So y'all watch these videos. That's what it's gonna be about. So we're gonna kill it.
It's gonna be about your mom.
Never forget about that. If I catch y'all when I'm at the house. What's up? Back here at my place, at my house. I'm gonna get right into it. Yes, got done lifting weights, and the people I lift with is 2 of my cousins. So that's what we're gonna give it to you. A lot of raw material, a lot of knowing what to do, how to do it. And the video's gonna get better. I'm gonna get me a bigger tripod. I just realized today I need a taller tripod, y'all can see, but it's gonna be a lot of fundamentals. It's gonna be a lot of how to do the right techniques and what to do in the gym and how to do it. Then going in there and just lift and get out. You know, a lot of people does not know. I ain't gonna say, I ain't gonna make fun of them, don't know how to lift. But this channel right here, I'm gonna show you how to lift, what to do. I'm gonna show you my days I do, and eventually later I'll get into my diet that I'm in. Like I'm saying, it's gonna be all free. Like I actually do a lot of research on this, and I've been doing my diet for 3 months, but it took me a year to even get on. Just different people has different, you know, diet, but I'll give you more foods of what to eat, how to eat cleaning. But this video was more like, you know, what to do and some techniques and give you an idea of lifting, idea what this channel's gonna bring. Like I'm saying, it's gonna be just y'all seen today. I mean, this is how it's gonna be. It's gonna be a lot better, a lot more fun, just a lot more drive to the videos than, you know, all slack, boring, doing this. No, it's gonna be, we're gonna get the pump in, we're gonna kill it, and we're gonna do it. But like I'm saying, there'll be a lot more videos like this, got a lot more coming up. Like I said, I'm gonna give y'all the best content I can. I'm not gonna upload a video that I wouldn't watch. So basically that's what I'm gonna do and help you out. Gain questions, just comment below and I'll answer the best I can. I make more videos on y'all comments on how to do things and what to do. So I appreciate y'all come, and just remember, this is the Life of Calhoun. Come and join the fam. Yeah.